When it comes to the pronunciation of Korean alphabet Hangul, there are two main challenges for native English speakers. One is distinguishing between vowels O and O, which I already did a video. Click I on the top right to find out more. And the second is recognizing the difference among three sounds of these consonants. In this video, I will describe how you can properly say these consonants and provide useful tips to recognize the difference among these consonants. Why are these consonants so difficult? Here's why. English consonants can be distinguished by voicing, which is about vibration of vocal cord. For example, if you put your thumb and index finger around your Adam's apple, you should feel the vibration as you say B, but not when you say P. B is a voiced consonant and P is a voiceless or unvoiced consonant. We transfer this expectation when we learn Korean. However, this dichotomy does not work because some Korean consonants, like shown here, require three-way distinction. So, how do we distinguish these sounds? In order to do that, we first need to know how to produce this consonant accurately. Let's start with the consonant in the middle. They are all aspirated consonants. I will just use this consonant, the consonant P, because the same principle can be applied to other two aspirated consonants. What does it mean by aspirated? If you hold your hand slightly below your mouth or put a piece of toilet paper and say pay, you will feel aspiration, burst of air, right after P sound. The sound value for this consonant is just like English P, but more aspirated. Therefore, you should feel more burst of air when you say the consonant P. Now, let's analyze the plain consonant. I will just use this consonant, the consonant B. The consonant B has to be pronounced with much less force than the consonant P that we just learned and with very little aspiration. The aspiration is so weak that it may even sound like English B, but English B is a voiced consonant, whereas a Korean consonant B is technically voiceless. This means that you will feel very little aspiration. You might feel like it's a voiced consonant because you feel vibration at the end of the pronunciation. Well, it's because you can say a consonant without a vowel. So if you say B properly, B, you should feel vibration only at the end, but not at the beginning. Try to say it again. In order to say consonant B accurately, you need to be very neutral and relaxed. This is why it's called plain sound or leg sound, because it's an unforceful pronunciation. The sound of consonant double B is different. It's tense and voiceless. It has somewhat similar sound value like P sound in spy or spot. You will firmly close your mouth, then instead of opening your mouth right away, you will hold your lips for like a half a second before extra quick opening of the lips at the end of the sound. Remember, there's a very short pause before opening the mouth when you say the consonant double B. Vibration of vocal cord is not there at the beginning, but you will feel vibration at the end since it's a voiceless consonant. And there should not be any aspiration. Now, I'm going to share two ways that you can use to distinguish these three consonants. First, you can use pitch to distinguish the plain sound. As you can see, the plain consonants have a lower pitch than the other consonants. See if you can hear the difference. 불, 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 불. 불이 났어요. 불이 났어요. 불이 났어요. 불이 났어요. For the aspirated consonants, as the name suggests, focus on aspiration to recognize the difference. Put your hands close to your mouth and say these letters to feel the difference in aspiration. 파, 바, 빠. 파, 바, 빠. 풀, 뿔, 풀, 뿔, 풀, 불, 풀, 불. 불이 났어요. 풀이 났어요. 뿔이 났어요. 불이 났어요. 풀이 났어요. 뿔이 났어요. How was the lesson? Let me know if you have any additional questions. Thank you for watching and see you next time. 다음 레슨에서 만나요.